So I want to show you something here. This tram you're seeing here, it's from European side and it's heading to Asian side. So I'm just rewinding it now, reverse. So there it comes from, it's from European side, and now it's heading to European side, I mean to Asian side. And I'm taking this now from opposite side, but I'm gonna need to turn off my camera for a little bit. Then when I get settled in the train, then I will turn it on. As I'm settled now, so we are heading to European side. We are already at European side, but we are heading to city center. The place is called Beyazıt. So I want you to take a look on the streets. They are quite different from the one we watched in our previous video, which was showing you Asian side. So we are heading to city center, and I want you to watch, and you will tell me in the comment. I want you to comment and tell me the difference you've seen, yeah, and everything. So guys, I'm gonna end this video, and in my next video I'm gonna be off train. By the way, I'm going to be off train. I'm gonna be showing you streets when I'm off train. Yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe, but don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you will be notified each and every video I upload. Yeah, thanks for watching, and bye for now.